no matter when you need us. Alghanim Maintenance is ready, coordinating the right support for you and ensuring the fastest response time possible. We'll send a team that's prepared to help with all the details they need to know. Alghanim Engineering has developed a strong reputation in the region due to our ability to deliver high quality, efficient and reliable maintenance solutions for our customers. Our on-site mechanical, plumbing and firefighting technicians are highly trained and stay on site and provide complete MEP services, and are backed by a large team of specialist engineers in case of an emergency. So let us put your mind at ease, the way we've been doing it for 50 years.